So you could see the difference there between the first trimmer head, which wasn't spinning at full power, and the second one, which was. The next step is to take the power head off and just rotate the trimmer head and look inside the barrel. If it's spinning, then the gears are fine. So put it all back together and make sure everything is nice and tight, and at least we know that part works. And the next part to check is the throttle cable. If that's still working, then move on to where the shaft joins the body. Just take it out and see if it's all connected up properly. The rod inside might have come loose. That's the only other logical explanation if the head isn't spinning. Put it all back together and test it out, and it should look like what you're about to see next.